Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this blush from Ofra and it's in the shade Chameleon and it's their pressed blush, which according to Ipsy is a baked blush, and this is the sample size. The full size retails for $15 and I got this in my December 2021 Ipsy Glam bag, which my unbagging video of that is up on my YouTube channel now if you have not seen it yet. And so I'm excited to try out another Ofra product. I love the brand Ofra, but the last product I tried out from Ofra I was not a big fan of. So maybe they will redeem themselves with me with this product here. So when it comes to blushes, I am kind of picky about the redness tone of it because I don't want it to look like the kind of rosacea redness that I already have in my cheeks. I want it to look more warmed up and just kind of a sun-kissed blush for my complexion. So I'm interested to see how this shade is going to look on me. I'm going to start out with a swatch. Ooh, it has a nice texture. It looks pretty pigmented too. Yeah, that is a really pretty pinky red shade for a blush with good pigment, fully matte. I also got in that Ipsy Glam bag this brush from SLMISSGLAM, and it's their small powder brush BB5. And typically I would use a larger brush than this to apply my blush, but I figure for the fun of it, since I got this in my glam bag, I'll try it out with this product and we'll see how it is. So I'm going to just go ahead and pick up some of the product here. I'm actually going to go in with just a tiny bit to start, and then I can build it up that way because I feel like I am always going in with such a heavy hand when it comes to blushes. Like, that is seriously the tiniest little bit that I picked up and you can already see it. But I'm just going to pick up the tiniest little bit more and start to build it up. It does feel a little weird using such a small brush for my blush, but it works. And this is such a soft brush on the skin. But I was recommended to use this brush as a blush brush to be more precise, and I love that idea. It's really working nicely. And seriously, just a little bit of this blush is needed for it to show up, and I'm happy to see that because the previous Ofra product that I tried out just did not seem to have the pigment. It was not showing up, and this I think shows up nicely. And so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other side. It is nicely buildable, especially with this brush. It's really a nice combination, but I think 2 light layers of this is the perfect amount of a flush of this color for me because it really is similar to the redness tone in my cheeks. So it's looking a little bit more like a sunburn than a sun-kissed, in my opinion. So it's a little bit of a darker red than what I would prefer in a blush, but it works really nicely. It looks undetectable on the skin. Like, it truly looks so natural, as if this really is my natural flush of color. And you can see I just kind of brought it over my nose because I like to make it look natural and sun-kissed, even though it looks a little bit more sunburned than what I would want. I could tone this down by putting like a blush topper on top of it, a highlighter, mixing it in with a bronzer shade to make it warm up my skin tone a little more. But it's a very undetectable texture, great pigment, blends out easily. So this is what I like to see from Ofra. This is what I have come to really expect from Ofra, is a great quality product like this. So all in all, I'm very happy and impressed by this. It performed exactly like I was hoping and expecting, and very happy with this brush as well. I wasn't sure what use I was going to find for this, but using it as a blush brush is definitely a great use for it. And this is a sample size of the blush, but I barely used any because it's so pigmented. So I'm really excited that this sample size is going to be able to last me so long. So if you've tried this blush, I would love to hear your thoughts on it as well. I hope that you like it as much as I do. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.